Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Well, today we're out on vacation and we're out of state. And when I'm out of state, sometimes I like to go try the local barbecue. Today, we're in Las Vegas, Nevada. And we're gonna go try what was voted the best barbecue in Las Vegas. This is called Jessie Rae's Barbecue, and it's in South Las Vegas. Let's go in and see what they have there. It's kind of cool. They got a magnetic so you can tell what's available today. And then they have their menu here on the outside. Very cool. I like that. Okay, so I got the 3 meats and 1 side. I got their baked barbecue beans, brisket, ribs, and pulled pork. My wife, she got tater tots and the mac and cheese. Let you know what we got. At the table they've got Jessie Rae's barbecue, Carolina vinegar, God sauce, made from the hottest pepper in the world, the Reaper, and then probably some kind of fried tater. Let's try the pork first.
You would say that. I was being quiet. Yeah. Okay. We can take some moments.
Has a great sweet flavor to it.
It's barbecue, dude.
It's pretty good.
You got a killer anyway. You're worried about it. Pretty much.
Do you want to try any of these meats?
We got barbecue. Oh, do you guys bring that food trip? Left it in the room.
So you may want to put sauce on.
Not a good idea.
That's the Carolina Reaper. This is probably the sauce that they have.
Yeah,
Let's try it right out of the beans. Nice smoky flavor to the beans. Beans are real good. Which one was that? The God? We're going to try some God right here. The God does? Or? Let's try some of this God sauce. That's pretty good.
Yes, I think the monster snowplow. Yeah, I was thinking it was like a snowcast. Yeah.
Nice sweet flavor to that God sauce.
14,000 pounds.
Let's try the vinegar. Put some vinegar in here.
I think it just got 1 leg.
So we are here during probably the lunch hour. Yeah, the vinegar is definitely vinegar based. You can definitely taste the vinegar. That's good. Plenty of pulled pork in there too. That's awesome. Lots of pulled pork. Do you think that's a fry sauce that you got your tater tots in? Let's try the Grim Reaper. See what it tastes like. Honey, the keys for the car are in my left front pocket if I die after this. That's quite a bit. Yeah, definitely spicy. Ooh, there's the burn. I feel the burn now. Ooh. It has a good flavor to it. Well, maybe that's a little burning more than I thought it would be. Ooh. One of the nice things they got Dr. Pepper.
It's like catching up.
But I don't know if it messed up my hip messed up my back, or my back was already messed up, or I don't know.
Did you taste the beans?
I'm going going down here. Really bad.
I think I like their God sauce the best.
Seems like it's on the left
Pretty
side
good
of the
flavor.
By my bed.
Let's try a rib. Nicely cooked, nice bark on it. Nice bite to it.
When they look at mine, they're like, you don't need to do this. You don't. Yeah.
Right amount of sauce on it. Nice bite through.
What side?
There's a tater tot with their special sauce. All right. So look at their brisket. I'm not bashful. I use my hands. Pulls apart nicely, but yet held together. Nice bend to it. Delicious good brisket.
Anybody have two?
Definitely get a salty flavor to it. They do dribble some kind of sauce on it. They didn't overpower it. You still get that real nice beefy flavor. Yeah, so, you know, I love all three of these meats. They're delicious.
Looks like I picked a bad day to be a vegetarian.
Yeah. Guess I have to eat it all myself.
Over here still. You want to finish with this one, honey?
Yeah.
We need a box or we still working?
I'll finish it.
Doing good so far, guys?
So I did ask to go check out their smokers, and they said they'd take me back there once we're done eating. But put a little God sauce on the brisket, a little more on the pulled pork. All right, I'm gonna finish eating this stuff. I'll check out the smokers, and then we'll do a final review.
So those just got on there.
And this, you said this is a pellet?
Yeah, this is the pellet. So in here we have all of our pellets running. All of our pellets. And then that one's not on yet, but that's what we do. That's our wood smoker with our roots that go on there.
Now, do you take this trailer out for shows and things?
No, we don't. We always take our roots.
Oh, you take that one. Do you, because of your location, do you get the draw from the stadium?
Oh, yes, very much so. Since I opened our businesses.
All right, so we just left Jessie Rae's barbecue in Las Vegas. So I was messaging my brother who spends a lot of time down here out in Henderson, and he said that we needed to go check out this barbecue place. It was fabulous, and he sent me the information. We didn't go out to the one in Henderson. We went to the one here in Las Vegas, and let me tell you, it was darn good barbecue. The pulled pork, yeah, it was good pulled pork. That was really good, and plenty of, the quantity was amazing how much they gave you on that little platter. I did the 3 meats, brisket, spare ribs, and pulled pork, and then I did a side of their beans, and their beans were very good. I found the brisket a little too salty for my liking. They obviously use like sea salt, coarse ground on it, and at some point they add it, and it makes it really salty. The ribs, good sauce on it. Not a whole lot of meat on those bones though, but good flavor, not bad at all. But the pulled pork, their sauces, they had, I think their house sauce which is really, really good. And then they had a vinegar-based sauce, which was really well. And then they had a hot sauce. They said that's made with the Carolina Reaper, and they call it their Reaper sauce. Yes, spicy for me, not so spicy for my wife. She liked it. I thought it had good flavor. It just hit a little different at the end for me than most people. Other than that, you know, I'm glad we went. It was really good. Small place. I have a little video of their smokers. One of them, of course, is the old hickory, which is pretty standard. It's a wood burning, you know, you put the wood splits down in it. And I believe theirs probably has the gas assist to get the log started. They had that one. And then they had a Cook Shack pellet fed smoker with a rotisserie, and that was really cool. And unfortunately, I didn't press record when she opened it up and let me look at the pork butts they had going on the rotisserie. That was really neat. I could see myself with one of those someday. Yeah, really good experience. I would recommend going by there, either the Henderson or the Las Vegas, if you ever come visiting and you want some good barbecue. Definitely worth the spot. They do a pretty darn good job. Real friendly staff. We were there, like I said, we were there at lunchtime, and they had a lot of probably regulars coming and going, and it was kind of fun visiting with them and all that. But Jessie Rae's barbecue in Las Vegas. Go check them out. Like I always say, my friends, you can do this too. Until next time, grill on. A video of it choking me to death.
It's gonna fall, you know.
That's all I'm gonna do and drive. If it falls, I will deal with it. Okay.
Do you want me to put in the directions?
Yeah. All right, here we go. To the damn seatbelt.
Does it every time.